In this video, we will talk about the Visa Bulletin predictions for May 2023. For those investing time, effort, and money into an immigrant visa, questions arise about how long it will take for the priority date to become current, and whether the process can be sped up. We provide regular monthly updates on the most recent Visa Bulletin, analyze the date movements, and predict upcoming months to answer these questions. Changes in the April 2023 Visa Bulletin. In the April 2023 Visa Bulletin, we see minor changes in the family-based category, with the only change being that the F2A category in the family-based final election chart is no longer current. We see major retrogressions in the employment-based charts, especially in the EME4 category. Individuals who have their I-485 application pending under the INV2 category, and whose priority date is not current under the EB2 final action chart, but is current under the EB3 category, may consider an interfiling request. It's important to discuss this option with your immigration attorney. Predictions for May 2023. Looking ahead, we expect EB1 to continue progressing as it has been. The final action dates chart determines when an I-485 or I-140 can be approved, while the dates for filing chart determine when an applicant can file an I-485. Suppose you have an adjustment of status, AOS, application currently pending. In that case, your priority date must be coming under the final action chart to adjudicate your green card. If you are contemplating filing a process that allows AOS applicants to change their preference category, keep in mind that the family-based green cards category comprises 4 preference levels based on who your sponsoring family member is in relation to you. And there are 5 chargeability areas for this category: China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, and all other countries. Family-based dates for filing charts predictions for May 2023. These Visa Bulletin predictions are estimates based on recent movement in the family-based categories and should not be relied upon as legal advice. They indicate how far forward the final action dates may advance in the coming month. In the F1 category, current for China, India, and all other countries of chargeability is August 15, 2016. For Mexico, it's January 22, 2003, and for the Philippines, it's June 2015. In the F2A category, current for China, India, Mexico, Philippines, and all other countries of chargeability will be covered. In the F2B category, current for China, India, and all other countries of chargeability is January 2017, while for Mexico, it's January 22, 2002, and for the Philippines, it's November 8, 2013. In the F3 category, current for China, India, and all other countries of chargeability is November 15, 2009, while for Mexico, it's June 22, 2001, and for the Philippines, it's December 1, 2003. In the F4 category, current for China and all other countries of chargeability is January 2008, while for India, it's March 15, 2006, for Mexico, it's April 22, 2001, and for the Philippines, it's May 22, 2004. Family-based final action dates predictions for May 2023. In the F1 category, current for China, India, and all other countries of chargeability is February 1, 2015, while for Mexico, it's May 1, 2015. And for the Philippines that are currently pending under the EB2 category and whose priority date is not current under the EB2 final action chart, but current under the EB3 category, may consider a downgrade request. This could allow them to file an I-485 application and potentially obtain their green card sooner. Looking ahead to May 2023, we predict that the EB1 category will continue to progress as it has been. The final action dates chart determines when an I-485 or I-140 can be approved, while the dates for filing chart determines when an applicant can file an I-485. If you have an adjustment of status, AOS, application currently pending, your priority date must be current under the final action chart to adjudicate your green card. Predictions for employment-based categories in May 2023. Let's talk about the employment-based categories and our predictions for May 2023. There are 5 different preference levels and 7 chargeability areas for employment-based green cards. USCIS issues employment-based category visas through job occupation. Here are our predictions for the employment-based dates for filing charts in May 2023. In the EB1 category, all chargeability areas will be current. In the EB2 category, all chargeability areas except China and India will be current. In the EB3 category, all chargeability areas except China, India, and the Philippines will be current. In the EB4 category, all chargeability areas will be current except for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. In the EB5 category, all chargeability areas will be current except for China and Vietnam. It's important to remember that these predictions are estimates based on recent movement in the employment-based categories and should not be relied upon as legal advice. Outro. That wraps up our discussion of the May 2023 Visa Bulletin predictions. As always, we recommend that you consult with an immigration attorney to discuss your specific case and the best course of action. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more updates.